Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Flower Mound, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Highland Village and Copper Canyon around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corinth and Creek around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Central Daylight Time. The Colony and Hackberry around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Midland and Crossroads around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Frisco around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oak Point, Lakewood Village, and Westlake.